Welcome to Studio ArtHaus, where creativity comes to life. Our summer camps are designed to spark imagination and inspire young artists of all ages. For ages 5 and up, we offer a wide range of camps tailored to suit every interest, whether it's drawing, painting, digital art, pottery, woodworking, clay, crafting, or even cooking. Each camp is thoughtfully crafted by age group and theme, ensuring that your child finds the perfect fit for their creative learning journey. At Studio ArtHaus, we're proud to be a space where kids can explore different art styles and mediums, making each week a new adventure. Our cooking and pottery camps are especially popular, giving campers hands-on experiences that they'll never forget. But it's not just about the art. It's about the connections and memories made along the way. Our camps provide a safe and inspiring environment where campers can make new friends, collaborate on projects, and share in the joy of creation. Each week from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., our limited enrollment ensures that every camper receives personalized instruction and attention. Our dedicated staff, a passionate team of artists and educators, have been preparing for camps months ahead, driven by their love for art and their commitment to inspiring and nurturing young minds. Thank you for choosing Studio ArtHaus for your child's summer fun. We cherish the trust you place in us and the opportunity to help your child grow in creativity and confidence. We look forward to welcoming your young artists to a summer full of creativity, exploration, and fun.